lucky. I always wanted one when I was a girl. Mama always wanted that book.
When you're a girl?
Yeah. It's an old book.
What?
Open it up in the middle. Here, first of all, show it to us. Show it to us. No, pick it up and show it to us so we can take a picture. Other side. Ah, Elf on the Shelf.
Can you put it down a little bit?
Put it down so we can see your face. Hold on, let me put this clip. Now let me take a picture of you and the Elf on the Shelf. Smile. Smile, yes. Wait, look at me. Look at me.
Okay.
Open it. Like this, look. What's inside? The book and the elf is inside. She's a girl elf.
Just like yours.
Yeah, but this one's yours. Look at that. That's a nice collection.
Could you put?
Look up. Look up, yes.
Would you like to put it in your craft room?
No, that one's yours. You could put it in your room.
Look up.
It's
Wait.
a book.
It's a book, yeah.
Look up, Yazzie.
Wait, don't know. You just slide it out.
It's a book?
You slide it out.
Yazzie, look at me.
It's an old book.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a
Yazzie,
book.
again. Look at me. Yes.
Look up.
Yes.
Is this for me? Is it for me?
Yeah. Here, let me put this one away.
Sebastian. Come here.
What is it? What is inside?
Other side. Here. Give me the trash, Yazzie. Here,
What is it?
open it.
Sebastian.
Just leave them. Turn around, yeah, so we can see you.
Come this way.
What is that?
I don't know.
Come watch. It's your little sister, dude. Your other wallet's in the guest room, right? Where is it? Is it in one of the drawers?
What is that?
It's a doll.
Oh,
that's a
wow.
beautiful doll.
Did you give me these?
Oh, those are cookies.
Yeah. Did you give me them?
Yeah.
Santa did.
No, Mom. She gave me them.
Show them to us. Pick up your doll and show it to us.
Santa gave you the stocking.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No, she didn't give me the stockings.
Hey, I can't see the doll. Turn it around. Oh, look at that.
Let me see.
Smile.
Let me see. Okay, now down.
We can't see the, yeah, like that.
There you go.
What a beautiful doll. That goes with the pillow.